Welcome to this channel. Here we are going to be looking at how we can construct a heptagon in a circle of diameter 105. How to construct a heptagon in a circle of diameter 105 is a heptagon is a seven-sided polygon. A heptagon is a seven-sided polygon. Welcome to my channel, as I said, and if you are watching my video for the first time, thank you. And if you're a technical drawing student, please subscribe to this channel, put on notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified, and like the videos here and help me to share my videos with your friends who are technical drawing or engineering drawing students. And we are going to be working on the construction of a heptagon in a circle of diameter 105. So let's go and see how simple and easy this construction is. So what we have to do first is to draw a horizontal line. So draw a horizontal line of any length. So on this horizontal line, we are going to take a measurement of 105 millimeters. 105 millimeters. Okay, so this is 0.0, and then so moving away, so we have 105 millimeters here, so which is also the same as 10.5 centimeters. So I'm going to label this point as point A on the line, and then label this point as point B on the line. So AB 105 millimeters is diameter of the circle in which we are going to inscribe a heptagon or a seven-sided polygon. Now the next thing that we are going to do is to look for the midpoint of this line AB, its midpoint, that is its middle point, because this line has an odd length, because the length is 105 millimeters. So to locate its midpoint, what we have to do is to bisect this line. So to bisect, so we are dividing into two equal parts. Put the pinpoint or the compass here at point A and extend the pen point to a convenient radius more than half of the line to draw an arc up, and you draw an arc down like this. Okay, so with the same radius, then pinpoint at point B, draw an arc up, and you draw an arc down. All right, so now the next thing that you are going to do is to draw the bisector of line AB by joining the points together with a straight line, the point of intersection of the arcs together with a straight line, and it goes like this. Just set your ruler like this and then draw this line. Okay, you have it like this. All right, so this is the bisector of the line. So let's call this point, let's call it point O here. So that is the midpoint of the line. Then the next thing that we are going to do is to draw the circle. Now that we know the midpoint of the diameter of the circle, so which is 105 millimeters. Okay, so we put the pinpoint here at point O, and then we extend the pen point to point B, and then we are going to draw the circle. It means the radius of the circle is OA or OB. Then draw the circle like this. Okay, so here we have the circle in place. All right, so having drawn the circle, we are going to divide the diameter of the circle into 7 equal parts because we are constructing a heptagon. We are going to divide the diameter of the circle into 7 equal parts. So how do we do that? So take your ruler and then set the ruler in this form, so making an angle of 30 or a bit more than 30 degrees to the line. So from point A here, draw a line in this direction. Okay, so this line, I will call it line AC. So this is line AC. Okay, then on this line AC, we are going to make 7 equal points on this line AC, so that we can divide this line AB into 7 equal parts. So if you are yet to know how to divide a line into a number of equal parts, there's a video in this channel that can help you to know that. Okay, so let's go and divide this line into 7 equal parts. Okay, so I'm going to make use of this ruler, and I'll be taking a length of 15 millimeters each. You can decide on the length to take on your own. So you choose the length to use by yourself. So this is 15 millimeters here. So part of this ruler has been peeled off, so I'll just shift it here. So, and I will take 15 millimeters from here again. This is 1. Then I'll be taking the second one. This is 2. then this is 3, okay, then this is 4, okay, then here is 5, then here we have 6, then last one, so we have what? We have 7, okay, so here, so we have 7 equal points on this line. So the next thing that we are going to do is that the last one here, we join it with point B, join it with point B, and it goes like this, okay, it goes like this. So you join it with point B, then take your set square, so take the set square, so set the set square along this line here, along this line that connect the last point and B together. So I'll put the ruler under it, okay, so then shift the set square to next point without the ruler being shifted, only the set square moves. So draw the line from here, okay, then move again to the next point, so shift the set square to the next point again, okay, then draw this line, so it goes like this, okay, then again, so shift the set square to the next point, so while the ruler remains unmoved, okay, then shift the set square to the next point again. All right, so draw this line, okay, next move the set square to the next point, so draw this line, and lastly move the set square to the last point here and draw the line. So we have this, okay. All right, so we have divided this line AB into 7 equal parts. So these lines here are parallel to each other. The lines here are parallel to each other. Take note of that. Now, so we are going to number this point on the line. So this is point 1 and this is point 2, okay, so this is point 3 and this is point 4, this is point 5, and this is point 6, and lastly this is point 7. So we've added into 7 equal parts because we are constructing a 7-sided polygon. So if you are constructing a 5-sided polygon, you make it 5. If you are constructing a 6-sided polygon, you make it 6. And if it is more than 7, 8, 9, 10, so you also do the same thing, so making it into that number of equal parts. So thank you. All right, so the next thing that we are going to do now is that we take the compass, so we put the pinpoint of the compass here at point A, and then we extend the pen point to point B. So extend the pen point to point B here like this, okay, then you draw an arc that goes up like this, and also draw an arc that goes down like this. All right, so with the same radius, put the pinpoint at point B, so it touches point A here. So you draw an arc that intersect this arc here, and you also take it down, draw an arc that will intersect this arc here, okay. So I believe you can see the two arcs as they intersect here, and we also have it here. So let's call this point here, let's call it, this is point P, okay, so where the two arcs intersect here, and let's call this point, let's call it point Q, where the two arcs intersect here. So the next thing that we are going to do is this. Now we are going to be drawing a line from point P, passing through point 2 and touching the circle. We also draw a line from point P, passing through point 4 and touching the circle. We draw from point P again, passing through point 6 and touching the circle. So you do it for the even numbers, okay. So for a 7-sided polygon, you make use of 2, 4 and 6. Make use of 2, 4 and 6, okay. That is for 7-sided polygon. And again, we are going to repeat the same thing, drawing a line from point Q, passing through point 2 and touching the circle here. Also from point Q, passing through point 4, touching the circle. From point Q again, passing through point 6 and touching the circle. With that, be able to bring out the heptagon. Let's see how simple this is. Now, starting from here, so set your ruler at point P and point 2 and draw the line like this. So it touches the circle, so it touches the circle at this point, touches the circle at this point, and again, so we draw from point P again, passing through point 4, set the ruler at point P, okay, then make sure you can see the point a little bit and point 4, so draw the line, so let it touch the circle, touches the circle here. So we have what? We have this point again. So next, so we also draw from point P, passing through point 6. So this is it. So just draw like this and touching the circle here. So here we have this point. I can see the point clearly here. So this is it. So next, so we now take it from point Q, so passing through point 2, okay, set the set square like this, so the ruler like this, and then draw the line, let it touch the circle. So here we have this point here, okay. So next we draw from point Q again, passing through point 4, so it goes like this, okay. So we have this point on the circle, okay. So and then lastly we draw from point Q again, passing through point 6, and it goes like this and touching the circle. So it touches the circle at this point here. All right, so with what we have done here, we can bring out the polygon. So let's see how it goes. So we are connecting. So let's label this point. So let's say this is point D. So this is point D, and this is point E. This is point F. This point is point G, okay, and this is point H, and this is point I. So apart from letter B and letter C, so we have 7 letters. That is from letter A, B, C, D, E, okay. So okay, we have A, D, E, F, G, H, I. So B and C, they are not part, sorry. Okay, so we are joining this point together. So join AD together with a straight line. Join AD together with a straight line. Then join DE together with a straight line. So it goes like this. Join EF together with a straight line. Okay, so it goes like this. And then join FG together with a straight line. This is it. Then join GH together with a straight line, so it goes like this, okay. Then join H high together with a straight line, and then you join IA together with a straight line. So we have a 7-sided polygon. So this is a heptagon which is constructed in a circle of diameter 105 millimeters. As simple as I've done it here. Thank you, keep on practicing, and God bless you.